The empty streets of Montreal after curfew. Grocery stores like this one have to close by 7:30. Here, some staff hours have been cut, and those working late stocking shelves need a letter to show police in case they're stopped.
One of our employees got stopped 3 times on his way home, and he doesn't live too far from here, so I can understand it could be frustrating for the employees.
Since the curfew came into effect, police have handed out 740 tickets to those breaking it. But the Premier says most people are complying, which is crucial as hospitalizations continue to rise.
The situation is critical, especially in the Montreal region.
The curfew also applies to the homeless population. Montreal police say they're urging people into shelters, ticketing as a last resort, and have issued 1 ticket to someone who identified as homeless who they say wouldn't cooperate. Advocates say Montreal shelters are already pushed to the brink and are calling on all levels of government to find more warm spaces quickly.
What if they're in a crisis? They have no one to go to. Like, the streets are emptied, and that doesn't say that society cares much about you.
On this 3rd night under curfew, this Montreal street, which in normal times is quite busy, is very quiet this evening. We're able to be out with our camera because we're working, but that's one of a limited number of exceptions. Medical care is another, but even with a letter to show authorities, Hector Barrera worries about being stopped by police as he buses home from dialysis appointments.
Just to be stopped, Sometimes I don't even feel like talking after treatment. I'm very tired, and I don't really want to be bothered. I just want to go home.
The province did reopen elementary schools today, taking what it calls a calculated risk, hoping the measures in place will be enough. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.